Boost your profile's sustainability with BASF's dispersions and resins. At BASF, we create chemistry for a sustainable future, and we're always looking for challenges to manufacture the same product in a more sustainable way by using alternative raw materials. That's why we developed BASF's Biomass Balance approach. We feed renewable raw materials into the chemical production process. The resulting mass can then be attributed to the sales products from our customers, helping them save up to 100% of fossil resources. In 2022, we teamed up with Barbot, a leading player in the Portuguese interior decoration and renovation market. Barbot Nature. An interior paint available in 80 colors for plasterboard, plaster, or sprayed plaster. The first paint on the Portuguese market that allows for the reduction of CO2 and the savings of fossil resources. A revolutionary and eco-friendly paint for interiors, with no odors or preservatives that affect the room air, causing less impact on the environment. That enables Barbot to stand out from the competition and contributes to achieving their sustainability goals.
Our next steps in this endeavor rely on continuing down this path of creating a carbon-neutral product portfolio, while at the same time reducing the green premium that people pay for it. Like that, we're going to ensure that everyone has the option to paint their home in an accessible and sustainable way. This is the way that we're going to ensure that we make everyone feel at home, anytime, anywhere.
Customers who buy this biomass balance save CO2, while making their homes the most beautiful place. Biomass Balance is an easy drop-in solution with zero reformulation required that reduces your product's carbon footprint. You'll get full transparency thanks to European third-party certification from Red Cert. Let's start setting our sights on reaching your CO2 targets and put a foot forward together.
BASF. We create chemistry.